morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here another smartband. We have the Q8 Fitness Tracker or Q8 Fitness band. So it's a beautiful smart band, very light and sporty. So we have it here. There's a version for this one, an upgraded version. I think that is the Q8S Fitness Tracker or Q8S Smart Band. So what we have here is the Q8 Fitness Smart Band. Sporty. I love the color here. Beautiful strap, two-tone strap, sporty body. Metal sidings here. And curved, slightly curved display here. So we have the specs on our website, Q8 Fitness Tracker. So smartwatchspecifications.com. Check out the website below. So we have powered by NRF 51822. We have 70 mAh standby time. 0.96 inch OLED screen, touch button key, very lightweight, 22 grams only. I think we have a mistake here. It's not powered by Android Wear, but rather powered by a proprietary operating system. Bluetooth 4.0, 30 meters waterproof, heart rate and pedometer features here. And available in red and green color, compatible with Android and iOS. So let's go back to this fitness tracker. I think it has, the body is available in black only with different strap here. I don't know if it's interchangeable, seems like it's not. But anyway, still it looks durable. You don't need to replace it. And it has a beautiful sporty looking smart band. For the charging cable, I think it is using a charging clip, although I'm not a fan of this one, but still it's okay. I can manage. Just clip it on like this, and that's your charging clip for the Q8 smart band. For the support app, let's check on the details here. So it is compatible with Android and iOS. So it is using the FitCloud app, available in iOS and Google Play. So let's check on the design of, or rather the menu features of this smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smart band, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. So if you have any questions regarding the smart band, the specs and features, please drop a comment below. So let's remove the screen protection here. Shiny, glossy. I don't know if this is glass. Seems like it is a glass, tempered glass. Let's check if there's still a battery left on the smart band. So that's it. It is activated very fast. Small display screen. So we have here the steps. Let's have a closer look. We have the calorie, the distance, the sleep, the training. Let's check on the training here. Very good animation. Again, let's go back again. Steps, calories, sleep, the training. So we have the walking here. So it is monitoring for the heart rate, calories and distance. We have the running, we have the climbing, we have the swimming, and that's it. So very few sports functions here. I wish they could have added more. Maybe it's in the support app and this is just the default. Let's check on the support app on our next video. We have the heart rate, we have the blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, very good. We have the blood pressure also. Okay, message notifications. We have the timer. We have the find anti-loss feature, and that's it. Okay, so that is your Q8 fitness tracker or Smartband. Okay, so far it's a very simple device. Okay, very affordable fitness tracker with few good features, okay, such as sport and health. Okay, so here on the watch face, okay, on the dial we have the steps, okay, the battery, the date, and the time. Beautiful, sporty. I like the look. Okay, let's check and let's try it on. Okay, how does it look? Okay, I like the design of this one. I like the color. Beautiful device, beautiful screen, very bright, and I like the metal sidings here, left and right. Okay, so this is your Q8 fitness tracker. So let's check more on the features here. Okay, let's focus. Okay, OLED touch button key. Okay, here's a cool looking sport band for those who are looking for the latest fitness tracker with a cool design and equipped with heart rate monitor. And of course, we check it. We also have a blood pressure and blood oxygen. 0.96-inch OLED screen with touch button key operation. The Q8 Smartband has two-toned, breathable, sporty silicone strap with stainless steel buckle. Okay, under the hood, okay, that's the hardware. The Sportband is powered by NRF51822 processor and features a heart rate monitor as well as pedometer. Okay, it also has a multiple tracking features like running, swimming, badminton, and basketball. Okay, features include, okay, although it's not here, maybe it's on the support app. We have sleep monitoring, sedentary, call and message notifications, alarm, calorie counter, social app notifications. 70 mAh battery with a standby time of up to 7 days. It is using the charging clip. But if you want a more advanced smart band, okay, but you want a design like this, go for the Q8S fitness tracker. It's a beautiful fitness tracker, also the same two-tone color, almost the same design, but more advanced features for this smart band. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. This is the Q8 fitness tracker. Bye.